you are interested to become the commercial pilot, this video gives you insights how to become the commercial pilot. In this video, I'm going to explain 7 important stages or steps you need to follow to become the commercial pilot. So let's go to what are the steps you need to follow to become the commercial pilot.
Step 1. Basic eligibility. First, let's understand who can become a pilot. You must complete your 12th standard with physics and mathematics. This is compulsory. If you did not take physics and maths, don't worry, you can still apply by writing this subject through open schooling like NIOS. Your minimum age should be 17 years to start the training. Also, you must be medically fit. Vision, hearing and overall health are very important in this profession. When it comes to the step 2, medical test, it's very important. Before investing money, you should clear medical test. In India, medical certification is approved by Directorate General Civil Aviation, DGCA. There are 2 main medicals. Class 2 medical is initial stage. Class 1 medical mandatory for commercial pilot. If you fail medical test, you cannot become a pilot. So don't skip this step. When it comes to the step 3, get student pilot license, SPL. Once your medical is done, you need to join flying school. Here you will first get student pilot license. This is like your entry pass into aviation. You will learn basic aviation theory, aircraft control, safety procedures. When it comes to the step 4, private pilot license. Next step is getting a private pilot license. In this stage, you will start flying small aircraft. You need to complete around 40 to 60 flying hours. This builds your basic flying skill. When it comes to the step 5, commercial pilot license, this is the main step. To become a commercial pilot, you must get a commercial pilot license. Requirements are minimum 200 flying hours, pass DGCA theory exam, clear flying test. Subjects here you're going to study air navigation, meteorology, air regulations, technical subjects. Once you complete this, you officially become a licensed commercial pilot. When it comes to the step 6, cost of becoming a pilot, this is biggest concern in India. The total cost is approximately 35 lakhs to 60 lakhs. This include flying training exams, accommodation, fuel charges. Some students go abroad for training which may cost similar or slightly higher. When it comes to the step 7, job opportunity. This is very important because after investing so much time and the cost, you need to know what are the opportunity. After getting the commercial pilot license, you can apply for the jobs in airline like some well-known airlines in India, include Indigo, Air India, SpiceJet. Initially, you may join as first officer like co-pilot. The salary of a pilot, the salary depends on the experience. The freshers may get 1.5 to 3 lakhs per month. Experienced pilot get more than 5 lakhs per month. But remember, it takes time to reach high salary. Training loans may take years to repay. If you see other YouTube videos, they show only good side. Let me tell you reality. The high investment required job is not guaranteed. Immediately, medical fitness must be maintained, irregular working hours, high responsibility and pressure. So don't choose this career just for glamour. Who should choose this career? You can consider becoming a pilot if you are passionate about the aviation, you are ready to invest money, you can handle pressure, you are medically fit. Who should avoid? Avoid this if you are choosing just for salary, you are not financially prepared, you are not comfortable with risk. For final my advice, becoming a commercial pilot is a prestigious and exciting career, but it is not for everyone. Before taking a decision, talk to real pilots, visit flying school, understand complete cost and risk. If you plan properly and work hard, you can definitely achieve this dream. If you want more career guidance videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I will explain real truth about different career to help you choose the right path.